happen tomorrow. Even though things, WhatsApp, everything is very safe, we need to be extra careful from ourselves. We can't sit on someone else's trust कि हाँ भाई वो देख लेगा, मैं कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. We need to be careful. Okay. This is some ethical concerns you need to keep in mind. Now, okay, you have a good time. Okay, nobody has a laptop, right? You don't have a laptop. You have mobiles, right? Okay. You do one thing. Everyone has a GitHub account. Yes? ठीक है. You just open a GitHub account in your mobiles. Put it into desktop site mode. So that आपको full view मिले. Okay. I'll tell you what to do. चलो GitHub account login कर लिया. Okay. Just look for GitHub Copilot in that. You have that something like a robot. There will be an icon. If you click on that, वो कुछ बनेगा. ChatGPT like interface will open. Okay. Just open it. It is GitHub Copilot. Okay. GitHub Copilot. हाँ. Now Copilot का मतलब ये नहीं कि सिर्फ GitHub ही Copilot बनाता है. There is one more thing known as Microsoft Copilot. It is also an AI agent of Microsoft, which helps you in Google Sheets, Google Word, Google Docs, Google Docs, Google Sheets, all these operations. You know Microsoft Teams, like Google Meet. Google Meet in the site is a tool, but there using AI you can do a lot of things. You can have AI summary in Google Meets also. Now there is Gemini summary that is available. When you are conducting a meeting, you are very busy enough to take notes. So tell Gemini, take my notes. It will make the whole summary of your meeting with all the points. Is it not good? Is it not nice? Right? Yeah. So AI is being implemented everywhere. Microsoft Copilot will help you in all these stuff. Data analysis, meeting summaries, task allocation, so development, lot of things Microsoft Copilot helps. Similarly, GitHub Copilot will help you in automating everything to be done in GitHub. From creating repository, from developing, from pushing any PRs, like any changes you are doing, okay, implementing them, integrating them, and the end result. Commit करते हो ना? You do one change, you commit. Commit, push, pull, ये सब automated हो जाएगा by just talking with GitHub Copilot. This is what we are gonna do now. Okay. Did you open GitHub Copilot? Open. ठीक है. I have some tasks for you. Make a team of 2 or 4 according to your like. You think of one software project, simple software project. मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि भाई make a full Flipkart now is simple software. So just think of a simple software you can build up. Maybe student management portal, examination, a quiz portal. कुछ तो ऐसे simple ideas. ये भी चाहिए तो आप AI को पूछ सकते हो. This also you can ask AI itself. Ask AI what are the simple projects I can do now within 20 minutes. Constraint हो गया. You give that role and all those things. Okay. Ask for ideas. Take an idea. Decide on these things. Okay. Who is the user? Who will use your software? What problem are you solving? एक problem लो because we like problems. मैंने बोला था ना AI क्यों आया? Problem. Bench क्यों बनाया? Table क्यों बनाया? Problem. You have to solve a problem. Okay. So you have to think of a problem, have a solution for that. You have to think who are the user type. If you are making a student portal, there may be a faculty, a professor managing it, an admin, a student who is accessing it. Lot of things. What does AI do with it? Okay. Like you can think of what AI ideas you are your results. ये चीजें, these 5 factors, you just think of, plan of, give a nice prompt in GitHub Copilot that will make a whole project in GitHub. Okay, try it. I think initial it has free credits. I think for simple projects you need not worry about the credits. Okay, have a team of 2 to 4. Make a nice project, a simple one. जो आप कल बोल सकते हैं, this I made using AI for must project है. Okay, this will also build your GitHub profile. You do that. You can make a team of 2 or 4. Take a sheet of paper, decide all these things. Okay, paper will equal to sheet goes plan. If you require help, do call me. Okay, yeah, right, you also, yes. Make a small team. Decide all these projects also, do something and yes. And then make a project in it. Okay, you guys can take a photo of this. I'll set up your quiz so that I can change this. And then I can do it directly. जुगाड़ है ना? Okay. This will be there. Very simple project you plan. बहुत बड़ा मत सोचो, बहुत छोटा मत सोचो. Have a mid-level project which you can build in 20 minutes. Okay? Yeah, 20 minutes is the time for this task. You have to plan, give it to Copilot, GitHub Copilot and work it out. You can use AI for this. इसके लिए भी AI use कर सकते हो to plan it out. Okay, you just have a good idea. That idea also you can use, create using AI. A simple project idea which you can do in just 20 minutes. Okay. And later you can flex here. I have a project. You can put it in your Azure, LinkedIn. You will have it in your GitHub, right? You will have a good project in such short time. your work, use AI. Okay. Use AI. You can use AI for planning. You can use AI for implementing. Literally, you can ask, give me the prompt for GitHub Copilot. It will give you the prompt also. Same copy. You just verify and then put it. You can also work it out. Okay. On the right side you can see a green option in your repository. Repository that code or something, you can see a green option, code I guess. Click on that, go to code space, create one code space, open it. Then a browser VS Code will open. Go through this. Okay. First you may go to GitHub Copilot, tell to create repository, create project, everything. To run that, go to that repository. You can see the code option in green. Click on that. Right side you can see code space. Go into that, create a code space and open it. You will get a browser VS Code. Browser में ही VS Code open होगा. उधर you can run it. Then you can see in your mobile itself the website. This is possible.